Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to make text larger on your iPhone. It's a really simple trick, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Display and Brightness, and tap on it. Okay, now look for Text Size, and tap on that. You'll see a slider at the bottom of the screen. By default, it's probably in the middle. To make the text smaller, simply slide the slider to the left. And you guessed it, to make the text larger, slide the slider to the right. See how the sample text at the top of the screen changes as you move the slider? That gives you a preview of how large your text will be. Once you're happy with the size, just go back to the main settings menu. You'll notice that all the text on your iPhone is now bigger. Now you can go back to using your iPhone as you normally would, but with text that's much easier to read. And that's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.